welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dimma. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. I've not done this before on this channel. Guys, if you've been following me for a very long time, you know that I shop from Amazon a lot. Like even when I did my house tour, a lot of the things that I had in my house were from Amazon. Even before that, if you've been following me from like when I used to live in my other house, you know that in vlogs I'll kind of show you guys things that I order from Amazon, you know. So I order from Amazon a lot, and I've said this in a previous video, kind of explained it, but Amazon does deliver to Nigeria. A lot of Nigerians don't know this. This video is not sponsored by Amazon, by the way. I wish Amazon would see me and sponsor me. Please, Jeff Bezos, I need money. I need money, okay? The things that I'm going to show you guys here are just things that I got, I'll say in the past couple of months that I've just been enjoying, and I felt like I had to share. Okay, for those of you who don't know, fam, Amazon delivers to Nigeria. When you're on Amazon, just make sure to enter a Nigerian address. Like back in the day, they used to do this thing where like the authorized or the third-party sellers who sell kind of ship via any shipping option that they find to be the most convenient for them. It's no longer like that. Like Amazon controls a lot of things when it comes to shipping now, and I noticed this about two years ago. I think I noticed this for the first time in 2018. So if you shop from Amazon, if you're shopping from Nigeria, shipping tends to be a little bit on the high side, and the reason why is because Amazon factors in like tax and customs before you check out. So they don't want a situation whereby your item comes here and you start getting a call from the different courier services telling you to come and pay something. To be very honest, I'd rather pay that money that Amazon is telling me that this is what the estimated is than let it get here so that they will call me and give me one charge that I don't understand. Guys, I'm not joking. I think that that's the best thing to do. That's what I like to do. And I know from experience that there have been times when they've like kind of estimated my shipping and tax and maybe told me that it was $20, that's the estimate. And then after my item is delivered to me, maybe 2 weeks later, I'll get an email from Amazon refunding me $10. So they basically tell me that yes, they estimated that tax and customs would be 20, but then it ended up being 10, so here's my $10 back. I don't know any other business that has ever done that for me in my life. Okay, I explained this in my video where there's a video that I have that basically in that video I shared international brands that deliver to Nigeria. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to have it linked somewhere here, but I kind of explained this. So I shop from Amazon a lot. Amazon delivers to Nigeria via 3 courier services, like since 2018, because I've been shopping heavily on Amazon and having it come to my doorstep since 2018. The 3 courier services that I know that they tend to use are Aramex, UPS, and DHL. So if your item is coming to Nigeria, there are always 2 options, right? There's the expedited option, and with that one, your item will come to you in about 5 to 7 working days, and sometimes it gets to you in about 4, depending on like just how fast they are. And then with the other option, which is like also kind of fast, that one comes to you in about maybe 10 days. On a normal day, actually 10 days. But some of the things that I bought recently because of Corona, they've been taking a lot longer, maybe 15 days. I'd say give it 15 days if you're not paying for the fastest option that they have. But the fastest option, if you pay for that one, your order will come to you via DHL. If you don't pay for the very fast option, you're going to get your order via Aramex or UPS. From experience, this is what I know. I have not had anything come to me via FedEx. They don't use they don't use local post at all. So if you order anything from Amazon, you're not going to have to go to the post office. It will come to you via a private courier. I wanted to say this before I start because I get this question a lot. Like I said, Jeff Bezos, run me my check. Run it. The first things that I have here are workout clothes. Like I realized recently, like, you know, you guys know I'm on a weight loss journey, okay? I'm trying to be a lot more healthy, work out a lot more. And I realized like recently, especially when I started getting into it, that I didn't have a lot of workout clothes. I didn't have good workout bras. I didn't have good workout shorts. I have a lot of like workout pants, like the leggings type of pants, but I didn't have the shorts, like the biker shorts or yoga shorts, and I wanted to get some. These were the 2 main things that I wanted to get, but then when I went on the website, I ended up getting one other thing that wasn't, you know, one of the 2 things that I just mentioned. These are the workout bras. They sold for like, it comes in a set of how many do you get here? I think it's about 5. Okay, I've used about 2 colors. I haven't used 3. So it's like a set of 5. It's not like a set of 5. It's a set of 5. It comes in 5 different colors, and the colors are so nice. And I think that there's a black and then there's a sky blue that I don't really know where it is right now. I've not used these 3, so it's a pink, gray, and white. Guys, I love this loft. Did I say loft? I love it. I love them so much. Gives you very, very good support. And I read a lot of reviews before actually buying these, and some of them were from like people who had like you know, bigger boobs than I even do, and they talked about how it just was very comfortable working out in these. And guys, I can attest to that. They're very, very comfortable. They are not tight. You don't feel uncomfortable. You can stretch, but then the support is amazing. A pack of 5 sold for $37.99. I'm going to be calling the prices in dollars. I know that sometimes when I say price in dollars, some people, Nigerians, will come in my comment section and start complaining, why am I giving you guys price in dollars? The reason why is because I bought these things in dollars. And guys, the exchange rate is continuously changing. I cannot come and tell you guys, I don't see the point of giving you guys a Naira equivalent of this, and then by this time next year, the price that I give you will not be relevant because maybe things would have changed. Like the dollar rate is constantly changing, so I'll give the price in dollars. At least I know that that is somewhat, like it will probably be $37.99 for a very long time. So these are really, really good, really soft. I've already washed the 2 that I've worn several times in the washer. They didn't stain things, like the color doesn't come off. It hasn't worn off, like it doesn't wear off, it doesn't look faded, like the color is not fading. I don't know why I'm rambling, but you guys know what I'm saying, okay? So the next things that I wanted to show you guys are these like yoga shorts, biker shorts thing that I got from Amazon as well. So I first of all like searched for biker shorts. Like I didn't really like what I was seeing, but when I searched for yoga shorts, these came up. They're very, very comfortable. If you like working out with shorts, you're going to love these. They come in a set as well, and they're very, 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 like very, very comfortable. And you can also wear these to lounge around in the house. I got it mostly like in dark colors, so navy blue, like dark gray, black. These come in a set of 3, and I think I bought 2 sets, and they sold for $35.99. Like each set sells for $35.99, and you get 3 shorts each. I love them. If you're looking for good like workout shorts, yoga shorts, or shorts to lounge around in the house with, these are very, very good. Like I love them. The quality is good, and they're not flimsy. Like they are kind of thick, you know, and they come with like little pockets where you can like just put your phone or put stuff in if you're like, you know, you don't want to hold your phone, or if you're doing something that you can't hold your phone while doing. So I also got like these tanks. Okay, this was the one that I was wearing in the mega growth picture that I uploaded on Instagram a while back. Some of you were asking me where I got like the workout outfit that I was wearing. These come in a set of 3, and they sold for $23.99. They're very like comfy, very lightweight, and I've washed this a couple of times. Like it's not faded, and then the material is still very soft. Doesn't look like it's been through anything. Like I really love it. So if you're looking for a good like, or like, you know, a pack or a set of like workout tanks, and you can also wear this, to be very honest, you can wear this for a lot of things, not just working out. If you're looking for something like this, check these out. Okay, so the next thing I think I want to talk about is this phone case. I had a lot of you asking me where I got it from, and I got it from Amazon. I just threw it into one of the orders. It wasn't that expensive at all. And this particular one sold for 1 minute. Okay, it sold for $9.99. So I'm going to leave links for all these, but it sold for $9.99. I like the fact that it gives my iPhone like a more like square shape. You know, I love that. Next thing that I have here are books. First one is Behold the Dreamers by Mbolo Mbue. She's a Cameroonian author, and I've not read anything by a Cameroonian author before, and I'm really excited about this. I've heard so many good things about this book. I love African literature. I always love reading stories from the perspective of African people. And then the second one is Binti by Nnedi Okorafor. This is my first book, you know, by her, and I told you guys early this year, late last year, that I really love this whole fantasy, futuristic, paranormal thing that some African authors are doing right now. I just find it very exciting because growing up, there weren't a lot of authors that wrote books like these. I've heard very good things about this. Nnedi has a lot of books, so if I really like this one, I'll buy more of her books, okay? Next thing that I want to show you guys are these bad boys. Some of you are like, what is this? Okay, so this is called Sparthos tape. Okay, I bought about 6 of them, so that's why I held up 2. This tape is mostly used by athletes for sports and also for physiotherapy sometimes, because I know that I have used something like this for physiotherapy in the past. But guys, I bought this tape for my boobs. Okay, Guys, for the longest time I struggled with taping my boobs. Like it's just not the easiest thing. And I would use, at a point, I know that I saw a lot of people using duct tape on YouTube. That did not work for me. And then I switched to like regular like tape, like, you know, the kind of bandage tape that you use in hospital for injuries. Those kind of work, but guys, peeling that thing off of your skin is the most painful thing in this world. And then I switched to this other boob tape that I saw them advertising a lot here on YouTube at a point. But then it comes with like just three sets of boob tape in a pack, and it's so expensive. It sells for like $20-something, and before you know it, it's finished. So I was looking for something that I can get more use out of, and I went on Google, I started searching, and I came across this. Guys, this is so good if you're someone who struggles with just taping your boobs. Okay, and I'm sure that, okay, so wait, excuse me, if you don't know what boob taping is, it's just basically using tape to give your breasts support depending on what you're wearing. So sometimes when I'm wearing like a plunger, like a neckline that is very, very deep, like very deep, but you still need support here, then you tape it up. Okay, and sometimes if the dress is backless and you need support, you tape it up. It's what you do so that they're not facing this way. This is a pack that I've already started using. Wanted to show you guys. It comes in different colors, but I got this particular color. The really amazing thing about this, and the reason why I think that I love it so much and why it has very high ratings on Amazon and people just love it, is the fact that it's kinder to the skin. It's not as harsh as, you know, regular, like, you know, hospital tape or duct tape. It's very flexible. It stretches. The glue or whatever type of adhesive they've put at the back is also kinder to the skin. I love it. So I'm going to cut out a little bit just to show you guys. Okay, I'm going to peel this off. Okay, this camera is tracking my face so bad, but hopefully you guys can see. So can you see? This kind of, it does this and then it bounces back. Your regular hospital tape does not do that. So if you're struggling with boob taping, or you consider most of the tape you've tried to be expensive so far, or you're just looking for something that is kinder to your skin, please consider this. It's my favorite boob tape so far. The next thing that I want to show you guys, I love this so much because it makes me feel like such an adult that had like I feel like my life is put together every time I go out carrying this. It's my laptop case. I know that this is funny, but guys, this is the most beautiful, like sleekest, if that is the word. Guys, it looks so beautiful. It's flat, it's sleek, it's clean, it is so me. Every time I just carry this out and I know that people are going to see me carrying my laptop case, I feel like such an adult. It's so well designed. Oh God, there are no like metal things here that you can see. Like everything is kind of in the structure of the case, bag, leather itself. There are magnets here, but then they're not visible. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So you can see, like, this is my laptop. Oh, guys, this is so pretty. Like, I love it. I love the way it snaps back immediately, and then it comes with a little pouch for your charger, which I have in here now. Guys, come on, just look at. I'm sorry, before I bought this, if I saw somebody carrying something like this, as far as I'm concerned, they are grown. And not grown as in they're like maybe an adult, as in grown as in they have their life together. That's the type of grown I mean. That's how this makes me feel. I love this so much. I have about 3 more things to show you guys. The first one is a tripod that I got for my phone. I think I actually showed this in the video where I kind of cleaned up my closet. It was still in the packaging. I hadn't opened it at the time, but I really love this. It's very easy. Like, I noticed after some time that I have a lot of tripods for my cameras, but I don't have tripods for my phones, and I'm trying to create more content with my phone these days, or even take pictures myself. So I ordered this tripod from Amazon. It came in about 15 days, to be very honest, and it looks like this. Guys, this is what it looks like, and this can, like, it goes really tall. This, I don't know if you guys can see, but this gets really tall to maybe about like my shoulder, which I think is very tall. And it's so cool because I didn't even know, because I had gone and ordered like a remote for my phone separately. I'll show you guys the remotes that I got, but then this also comes with a remote for you. So in case you don't have like a remote to control your phone with, this comes with a Bluetooth remote that you can use with your phone and just take pictures yourself, which is really cool. So this is called the Selfie stick tripod, and it sold for $24.99. And to be very honest, this is light enough and it's sturdy enough to actually double as a selfie stick. The only thing is just that it doesn't like fold like, it doesn't get smaller than this. So if you're going to carry this around as a selfie stick, then your bag has to be very big. But then it's very well made and it's very sturdy. I like it, okay? It sold for $24.99. I ordered another tripod, a smaller tripod. This one just for like the tabletop, or just I can easily hold this one in my hand. It also comes with, you know, a Bluetooth remote. So to be very honest, you don't need to go and buy another Bluetooth remote, although I'm going to show you guys what I got still. And this one sold for $19.98. It looks like this, you know, it's small, it's very portable. I just put my phone in here, it holds it, and I use it to take pictures. Like, I really love it. So if you're looking for a nice tripod for your phone, maybe consider this. It's from a brand called UB Size, I think. Okay, so this is the remote that I got. It comes in a pack of 2, so I have the extra one here. And you know, it comes with a strap that you can just, like, you know, just makes it very convenient. So if you have tripods but you don't have a remote for your phone, then maybe you can get this pack. Okay, so the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is a scale, okay? And I love this scale so much. I already talked about it in my previous vlog, like my last vlog. I'm going to have it linked somewhere here so that you check it out if you've not seen it. But this is a Bluetooth scale. I didn't even know that there was anything like Bluetooth scale. To be very honest, it's by a brand called Renfo. All the things that you can actually get, or all the measurements, or all the info or data that you can get from just stepping on this scale, I'm going to have it attached on the screen. It is so good, guys. I love it. If you're trying to lose weight, or you're trying to just maintain your weight, or just be a lot more healthy, and you love keeping track of things, then check this scale out. When I bought it, it sold for $30-something. I've just checked now and it's basically selling for $29.74. It came to me in about 12-13 days. It was delivered to me by UPS. So everything here was delivered to me either by DHL, UPS, or RMX, like I told you guys. I love this scale so much, like so much. If you want to see how it kind of works, so you step on it and then it starts reading on your phone. It's so cool because you can actually add the app to all the other like health type apps you have on your phone. If you're doing intermittent fasting and you use Zero, even like the health app on your iPhone, this scale automatically starts updating your weight on those apps. So the minute you step on it, it sends the information to all those other apps. It's cool like that. So I'm going to leave all the links for everything that I have mentioned now in the description box. Guys, if you use the links in the description box, I stand a chance to make some money, okay, from them. Like, guys, for the past 5 years, I've been trying to get on Amazon's affiliate program, and it wasn't possible for Nigerians living in Nigeria for a very long time. It's just an option that they've given us recently. So if you want to shop for any of these things, you can use my link. And yeah, I kind of make maybe a small percentage, or a small, I don't even know how much, but I stand a chance to make something. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, share. I love the fact that a lot of you are now liking my videos. Thank you so much, because I think that for a very long time people didn't know that the like button was actually very important. It's important if you like my videos. It's also important if you like them enough to share them. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.